Good evening, Rahul.
Good evening, Wisdom Tree.
What is that vessel you're carrying? What do you have in it?
My mother has sent me to the mill to grind rice and urad dal so that she can make idlis.
What is the capacity of the container?
It can hold 12 kgs. There is 2 kg rice and 4 kg urad dal in the vessel.
Can you tell me what fraction of the vessel is empty?
I don't know. I think I need your help.
Of course, I'm here to help you, Rahul. Let us see how the princess learned addition and subtraction of like fractions. Today, we shall learn about application problems based on operations of like fractions. One night, Bhim suddenly got up from his sleep. He had heard a lion's loud growl. He came out and looked around and found nothing. Suddenly there was another growl. Bhim laughed, as it was not a lion or a tiger, but it was his stomach growling out of hunger. He went to the Gurukul kitchen and slowly sneaked in without getting noticed. He started eating all he could find in the kitchen. Among them were 24 laddus that Guru Mata had made for some guests she was expecting the next day. After finishing the laddus, he turned towards the door. He was stunned to see Guru Mata staring angrily at him. She shouted at Bhim and said that he will be punished for what he had done. She sent him away and asked him to meet her early in the morning. Early in the morning, Bhim went to Guru Mata and apologized. By that time, Guru Mata had calmed down, but said that Bhim will be punished.
As you have eaten 24 laddus, you have to give a wash to 24 cows at the river bank. This punishment is to make sure that you will never take anything from the kitchen without my permission.
I am sorry, Guru Mata. I shall go and wash the cows.
Washing cows was not as easy as Bhim had imagined. He was able to wash only 7 cows before noon. He was dead tired, so he took a break and finished his lunch. He came back and started washing the remaining cows. At the end of the day, when Guru Mata came to the river bank, Bhim was still washing cows. Guru Mata inquired how many cows he had finished washing.
Guru Mata, I washed 7 cows before noon and 9 cows from afternoon till now.
So, can you say the fractional part of the cows left over for you to wash?
Bhim began to fumble.
It's okay. It is enough for the day. You can go.
Bhim was relieved that his punishment was almost over and wanted to know how many cows were left to wash. So he went straight to Guruji and explained to him everything that had happened.
Let us do some application problems. Look at this example. If 6 by 11 meter of black cloth and 2 by 11 meter of white cloth for making border are required to make a tent, how much cloth do we need to buy in all? Children, we are asked to find how much cloth do we need to buy in all. So you can tell me what operation of fractions we have to do to find the answer.
Guruji, we have to add both fractions.
Very good, Arjun. We are given the measurements for 2 kinds of cloth. First, let us note them down. Fractional part of black cloth needed for tent is 6 by 11. Fractional part of white cloth needed for tent is 2 by 11. Now, as Arjun said, we have to find the sum of both fractions. The fractions are 6 by 11 and 2 by 11.
Both the fractions 6 by 11 and 2 by 11 have same denominator, so they are like fractions.
Yes, Now, how will you add like fractions?
To find the sum of like fractions, we have to add their numerators and write the sum over the same denominators.
Very good. What are the numerators?
6 and 2 are the numerators.
Good. What is the sum of 6 and 2?
Sum of 6 and 2 is 8.
So, let's write 8 over the denominator 11. So, total length of cloth needed for making tent is 8 by 11 meters of cloth. If Duryodhan caught 13 balls out of 25 balls and Dushashan caught 10 balls out of 25 balls, who caught more balls and by how much? Can you say who caught more number of balls?
Out of 25 balls, Duryodhan catches 13 balls. So the fraction is 13 by 25. And Dushasan caught 10 balls out of 25. So the fraction is 10 by 25.
We find that 13 by 25 is greater than 10 by 25. So, Duryodhan caught more number of balls.
Very good. How will you find the person who caught more number of balls?
Guruji, we have to subtract 10 by 25 from 13 by 25 to find out who caught more balls.
Yes. How will you subtract like fractions?
As they are like fractions, we subtract only the numerators and write the difference over the same denominator. So, 13 minus 10 is 3. So, the answer is 3 by 25. Hence, Duryodhan caught 3 by 25 balls more than Dushasan.
Very good. Bhim, can you tell me what fraction of cows are left to be washed now?
Yes, Guruji, I washed 7 by 24 cows in the morning and 9 by 24 cows in the evening. Yes, the fractional number of cows I washed the whole day is 7 by 24 plus 9 by 24. We get 16 by 24. Now, the number of cows left for washing is equal to 24 by 24 minus 16 by 24. We get 8 by 24. There are 8 by 24 of the total cows to be washed.
In this lesson, the prince learnt application problems based on operations of like fractions. Rahul, hope you too understood all the above concepts.
Yes, I have understood the concept well. Now I shall calculate the fraction of the vessel which is empty. Total capacity of the vessel is equal to 12 kilograms. Fraction of vessel with rice is equal to 2 by 12. Fraction of vessel with urad dal is equal to 4 by 12. Fraction of vessel filled is equal to 2 by 12 plus 4 by 12 equals to 6 by 12. Fraction of vessel empty is equal to 12 by 12 minus 6 by 12, which is equal to 6 by 12.
Very good, Rahul. You have understood the concept very well.
Thank you very much.
Goodbye, Rahul.
Goodbye.